Hello and welcome to CobraTransmission.com. The 98420 is a solenoid kit for the Jatco JF506E, also known as the 09A. It is a 5-speed automatic front-wheel drive transmission. It is used in some Volkswagens like the Jetta, the Jaguar X-Type, and the Land Rover Freelander, and a few other makes and models. This kit is not for Mazda or Ford that use the JF506E. The part number for the Mazda and Ford solenoid kit is 98420A, and the link is available down below. The box that the solenoids come in is a plain white box with some information printed in the front of the box. The solenoids come in a plastic drenched in oil. And these are the original solenoids, not the aftermarket ones. What are you looking for on the original solenoids are two things. One is a 3-diamond symbol, which stands for Mitsubishi, the manufacturer of the solenoids. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this on your monitor. And the letters JP for Japan. There's the Mitsubishi symbol right there in that corner. And there's JP there in that corner. I will leave a link in the comment below for this kit, which comes with a free pan gasket when you order online, and a previous video that we have that dives into the individual part numbers of each solenoid. I hope you liked the video. Please leave us a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you the next time.